Now, what we need to do, we need to degas, okay? What that does, it distributes the carbon dioxide and it tells the rest of my yeast activity to wake up and get a move on, okay? And then I'm going to pre-shape, like so. A little bit of flour on your hands, tap the dough down, okay? And then you're going to fold into the center. What this does, this is building some tension, okay, like so. And then you're rolling over to reveal a nice smooth surface. If you have dough stuck to your table, well, what you can do is use your scraper to help you. Hands in that lovely V shape, you're going around the outside of your dough, okay, giving it a lovely pre-shape. What we're doing here, we're building some tension, okay, like so. This can be left to one side, a little bit of flour on your surface, and pop your dough on that floured surface.